So as it turns out, alpha particles just aren't pumped out at random speeds. They don't just leave the nucleus at a random speed. They are actually emitted with a number of discrete, separate energy levels. Now, as it turns out, just like electron orbitals for an atom, nucleuses have arrangements where they have discrete energy levels too. And the energy levels are more widely spaced, with a difference that it's measured in mega electron volts. Now, we know that the difference in the energy levels in the nucleus is in mega electron volts because the alpha particles are released with varying degrees of mega electron volts of energy. Now, if we look at the following example here, where we've got neptunium going through a transmutation process to protactinium, the alpha particle is going to come out with a discrete amount of energy. So here it starts from the parent nucleus, and then it's going to become the daughter nucleus plus an alpha particle. But if the alpha particle is released with the minimum kinetic energy, then this daughter nucleus, this palladium, will be at energy level 4, or the third excited state for a nucleus. And what it's going to do, because these are in mega electron volts, is when it drops down to energy state 1, the ground state for the nucleus, it will release a gamma ray. So if you remember before where we had an alpha particle coming out and I said plus energy, well this is the energy. So you can have alpha decay will always be followed in general with a gamma ray. Now, of course, here what we're seeing is that, for example, neptunium could become protactinium, and then the nucleus could be then in the third energy level, second excited state, and it will release a gamma ray to get down to the ground state, but that gamma ray will have less energy than the one which was in excited state 4. Now that difference in energy there is expressed in the alpha particle having more kinetic energy as it's released. Here, the alpha particle has almost as much kinetic energy as it can get, and here, that's the maximum kinetic energy the alpha particle can have. So all of the energy of the neptunium going to protactinium is then reflected in the alpha particle coming out with maximum kinetic energy, and the palladium daughter nucleus having the ground state on creation, and no gamma ray being released. Now, the thing is, we know these energy levels exist because when the alpha particles shot out, they came out with these 3 separate speeds, or actually 4 separate speeds, and they were measurable, and so hence they were able to determine that each parent nucleus to daughter nucleus, the daughter nucleus will have separate and discrete energy levels relevant to that nucleus, to that element.